I have a recycling fountain that birds love to use to bathe and drink. There's an olive green growth only where the water flows over the fountain but not in the still water. What is it? Is it bad for wildlife? Is there a bird-safe way to keep the fountain clean? This is from Tom and Bartlett. So what is it? Is it bad for wildlife? And then, is there a bird-safe way to keep the fountain clean?
I would say it's just algae, and it's not detrimental to birds at all. I mean, you think about where they drink naturally, there's all kind of stuff floating around, you know, so, and I wouldn't worry about it. If it bothers them, you know, there's products on the market that you can use.
Right, there's some foams.
Yeah, different things that you could use, but it's not going to be detrimental to the birds at all. And it can just be unsightly sometimes. So there are products out there that could control it.
Yeah, I mean, you can make your own, 1 part chlorine bleach to 9 parts water. And if you don't want to use chlorine, 1 part distilled white vinegar to 9 parts water, and it says scrub thoroughly. Probably if you just scrub thoroughly.
Yeah, I'd say so.
Without using
That's
it,
right.
You know, but typically it's probably going to come back.
But it will, no doubt, it will come back, and you just got to do it often.
Over and over
if
again,
it bothers
but I would
you,
say
but
just don't worry about it.
I'm with
really.
you.
Yeah.
The birds will be all right.
Yeah,
The
birds
wildlife
will
will
be fine.
all right.
Yeah,
All right.
it's colorful.
We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.